Hi friends, today we are gonna make a simple and a yummy chutney that goes very well with idlis, dosas, rotis or even with the rice. The ingredients used are all very common and it takes very less time to make. So let's get started. Let's take a pan and spread some mustard seeds. Now in goes the garlic. When the raw smell of the garlic is gone, we are gonna add the sliced onions. Also add the salt and Asafeotoda to the onions. Salt is a dehydrating agent that helps frying the onions faster. Now in goes the curry leaves. Now we shall give it a quick stir. Now add the turmeric and then the tomatoes. When the tomatoes start to leave the oil, you may add the red chili powder. Now we shall off the stove and allow it to cool down. Later we will be taking this into a mixie jar to make the chutney. Do give it a try, you will love it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.